We know that inflation is crazy, and I've been looking for ways to save money, especially when it comes to groceries. So I decided to try and order my groceries from Thrive Market to decide for myself whether it lives up to the hype or if it's actually just a ripoff. And no, this video is not sponsored. I paid for my grocery order by myself, so this is my honest review in my own opinion. So if you want to know the truth about Thrive Market, I got you, so stick around to the very end to find out. If you don't know, Thrive Market is an online grocery store that carries a variety of healthy, high-quality products at wholesale prices. And they carry vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, dairy-free, and all types of different products. And for almost any diet you can think of, like paleo or Whole30, they have products for that. Thrive previously only offered pantry items and some frozen foods, but recently they have started to stock fresh fruits and vegetables and refrigerated items as well. So if you really wanted to, you could do your entire grocery haul from Thrive. Thrive is a members only site, and when signing up for Thrive Market, you have two options for membership, annual or monthly. And the annual membership comes out to $5 a month, but it is billed one time at $59.95, or you can do the month-to-month option, which comes out to $12 a month. There is definitely an incentive to purchase the annual membership because at the time of filming, Thrive is offering a free gift worth $60 to those who sign up for the annual membership. And I actually got my free gift in this order that I just got recently, and I will show you what exactly that is during the unboxing portion in just a little bit. But also another thing to keep in mind is if you sign up for the annual membership, you do have 30 days to try out Thrive and see whether or not you like it. And if you cancel before those 30 days are up, then you will receive the full $59.95 fee back. But if you sign up for the monthly membership and you decide to cancel, you do not get your $12 back. So just something to keep in mind. For shipping, Thrive Market offers free shipping on pantry item orders of $49 or more. Otherwise, shipping is $5.95. Also, shipping is fast, so orders are processed within 12 to 24 hours of you ordering, and it arrives to you within 2 to 4 days. So for me personally, I placed my order on a Wednesday, and then I got my items on Friday. I also noticed that everything is packaged well and nothing in the box came broken, damaged, or dented, which I really appreciated. So now it's time for the unboxing, and I'll be showing you guys everything that I ordered, and I'll also be doing a price comparison between Thrive, Whole Foods, Walmart, and Ralph's, which is like Kroger. I got 2 bags of these kettle potato chips, 2 bags of this pipcorn popcorn, got 1 box of this oatmeal here, got these almond crackers, package of granola, and this is my favorite granola, some cookies, some cacao power snacks, more granola, kombucha, which is one of my favorite drinks, Alfredo sauce, and these chocolate hunks. And that is it. And then for the free gift, I also received this cookbook with like some healthy recipes inside of it, a box of gluten-free pasta, almond butter, and last but not least, some ghee. And that is everything that I got. So as you can see, for the items that I ended up purchasing, Thrive actually ended up being the cheapest option for all but one of the products. So now that you've seen the price comparison, let's talk about the pros and cons of Thrive, starting off with the pros. The first pro is price. So obviously, like I just showed you, Thrive ended up being the cheapest option almost every single time. But one caveat here is that Thrive is not always the cheapest option. It really depends on the items that you're looking to purchase. So you will want to do a price comparison for the specific items that you are looking for. The second pro is that if you do not have good, healthy food stores around you, then Thrive is really a great option because it's shipped directly to your door and you get to choose items that you otherwise would not have had access to. Moving on to the cons, the first con is that for some items, you are forced to buy them in multiples, so you cannot just buy one of them. Like for example, with these potato chips that I purchased, I had to buy 2 of them, even though I really only wanted one, because that was the order minimum. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're shopping on Thrive Market. The second con is that you cannot see the exact items that Thrive offers prior to signing up for a membership. So this is one of the things that was a little bit more annoying to me when I was investigating Thrive Market, because I just wanted to see and look, is it even worth the money? Is it even worth signing up for? But you cannot see any of the items on the site unless you sign up for a membership first. And then the third con is that not everything is super healthy. So if you're trying to avoid certain additives or certain sweeteners, you'll definitely want to look at the ingredient list of the items that you're considering purchasing to make sure that they're up to your own personal standards of things that you're trying to avoid. So, is Thrive Market really worth it? My final answer is maybe. And here's why. I think it really depends on where you live, right? For example, if you live in an area that is close to an Aldi, then personally I would just rather shop at Aldi, because Aldi has a lot of great healthy food items that are definitely going to be cheaper than shopping at Thrive Market. But if you live in an area where you do not have access to a lot of healthy grocery stores, then in that case, I do think it may be worth it to give Thrive a try and see whether or not you like it. And personally, I do think I will be keeping my Thrive membership, since Thrive beats out my local grocery stores. If you do want to give Thrive a try, then leave my referral code in the description box below and you will get 40% off of your first order. Comment below if you have ever tried Thrive and what your experience has been with it, or let me know if you would be willing to try Thrive. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance content on investing, saving money, budgeting, all that good stuff, and see you next time.